Welcome back. This one from 5-ingredient anti-inflammatory cookbook, Garden Sunrise Egg Bake. Eggs, vegetables, into the oven, simple preparation and solid result. Let's start. So with this recipe we will start with preheating oven to 400. While it's been preheating, we will start with bell pepper and cut it to some, I would say, dices, small ones. Yeah, let me take a small bowl. And proceed with all the other pieces. Let's cut it evenly. I would say it will be enough for now. So I will have some amount of bell pepper. Then we proceed with cherry tomatoes. I would say the similar amount of cherry tomatoes will be good as well. So let's remove it from the stem and cut maybe on the quarter. I don't know, some reasonable size, maybe not too big, not too small, just not to waste a lot of time for the dicing, because tomatoes will still be reduced, so that's totally fine to have it this way. So I need another bowl. Okay, well, let me clean this up a little bit. Okay, what we do next? We need some green onion. The amount is based on your taste and your preference. So whatever tastes good for you, so just add any amount that you have. We just need to cut it nicely, almost the same size as pepper, maybe a little bit less, so you see, would be good enough. And another bowl. Okay, the veggies are done. Now we need to prepare the egg mixture. I will take another bowl. I would need 4 eggs. And the last one. Pretty easy for now. So, what's next? Let me check the book. Basically, we need to add some salt here. I would give a little pinch of salt and add some water. It's about 1/4 of the cup or so, just to give these liquids to the eggs. Maybe a little bit. Yeah, nice. And now we just need to whisk it nicely. So as you see, don't need to whisk it too much, just to give the even texture. I would say it's ready to go. So we prepared all the ingredients. Now we need to preheat the pan. So I started with the preheating the pan. I would say somewhere about medium heat. We'll take some olive oil, give a little splash here, and let's wait a little bit till the pan will be warm. So in a warm pan, just add our bell pepper. We need to stir it a little bit to make it softer. Maybe 3 or 4 minutes or so, just to bring the softness to the pepper. We can add some cherry tomatoes and the onion. And continue to stir it a little bit to bring all the flavors all together. We need to wait also while all the tomatoes will be soft as well, and at this point we will add spinach. You can add more if you want. Just try to mix it up. It's not so easy at this point, but let's give some minutes to the spinach. It should be reduced in the size, so it will be much easier to stir it. Okay. Let's continue. Yeah, you see now it's becoming much easier. I would like to add some salt here as well, just a little bit, to make all the ingredients. So now it looks like ready, and let's put it into the oven. So for the oven, I will take this type of baking dish. I will add some olive oil here. I have a spray, but you can use a regular one. It is not. Now put all the veggies here. Spread it evenly. And add eggs mixture. And let's spread it again a little bit. Okay. And now at this point we will put it to the oven for 400 degrees for maybe about 20-25 minutes. We will see until it will be golden brown. So 20 minutes are passed, and now we have evenly cooked eggs here. Yeah, you see, this is very stable. I would suggest to let it cool down for a couple of minutes and then try it out. We need just to have the eggs to be more stable. So let's try to cut it and we'll see what's inside. Oh, you see, this is still very hot, steaming hot, but overall looks not so bad. So let's try it. I would try from this end. I like this. I think that the bell pepper is still a little bit hard for me. Maybe I would need to fry it maybe another 2 or 3 minutes, but overall it tastes very good. It's very tasty omelette with all the veggies here. Yeah, this is a good option for the breakfast. So see you next time.